Fix no sound device found error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The first workaround is check Windows 11 sound settings. Go to Settings app in Windows 11. Go to Sound sections. Click on it, and here under Output section, click on Add a device and add a proper output sound device in your system. Thereafter, click on that device, and under General section, allow the apps and windows to use this device for audio. The next is check if sound devices are enabled via device manager. Go to Start button, right click on it, choose device manager, go to sound, video and game controllers sections. Here you will find all your sound systems installed in your system. Check each driver to if it enabled or disabled. Here right click on it and check. Thereafter go to audio inputs and output devices. Again check all the devices, it should be in enabled mode. If any found disabled, you should enable it. The third one is run the playing audio troubleshooter. Go to Windows settings. From the right side, choose troubleshooter, other troubleshooters, and click on playing audio. Run the troubleshooter. Windows will detect any issues and resolve them accordingly. Fourth one is run a system file scan. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt window as administrator mode. In a black window, type sfc/scan now, press enter. Windows will now detect any corrupted file system in your Windows 11 and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% completion of the scan. And the fifth one is update the sound driver. Again right click on a Start button, choose device manager, and go to your sound driver installed in your system, sound, video and game controller. Apply right click on your sound driver and click on update driver. In next window, you should choose search automatically for drivers. Windows will now install a best driver for your system. 6. Reinstall the audio driver. If your any sound driver corrupted, you should uninstall it and reinstall it through device manager. Open device manager, go to sound and video audio controller section, expand it and apply a right click on it and choose uninstall device. A confirmation window will appear here. You should again click on uninstall. Thereafter restart your system and Windows will now automatically install best audio driver for your Windows